the family deal.
Hi, I'm Dean Snell, Senior Sales Consultant here at LaFontaine Honda in Dearborn. I often have customers challenge and compare our monthly Honda payments to lower ones they've been quoted on competitors' vehicles. And I always ask if they've done their research on both vehicles to compare things like annual maintenance, repair fees, or the average fuel costs for each vehicle. You see, Honda's pricing is based on long-term residual value of the product. They don't believe in inflating their prices to mark them down. Simply put, the Honda value is the Honda, and you end up saving your money in the end. Just compare the Honda CR-V to the Nissan Rogue. In KBB's 5-year cost-to-own study, with overall fuel efficiency, maintenance, and other factors along with depreciation, the Honda CR-V will cost you $3,446 less over a 5-year span. To learn more about the Honda CR-V or any vehicle in the Honda lineup, come see me, Dean Snell, and I'll give you the LaFontaine Honda family deal.